Chapter 1. My Body. Forehead, teeth, lips, tongue, head, eyes, ear, nose, shoulder, chest, arm, thumb, finger, neck, wrist, elbow, stomach, thigh, leg, knee, ankle, heel, foot. Our body is made up of different parts. My entire body is covered with skin. The main parts of our body are the head, neck, shoulders, chest, stomach, arms, and legs. We have one head. The head is covered with plenty of hair. We have one nose and one mouth. We have 2 eyes and 2 ears. We have 2 arms and 2 legs. The hand is the lower part of the arm. One hand has 5 fingers. Both the hands have 10 fingers. The foot is the lower part of the leg. Each foot has 5 toes and a heel. So both the feet have 10 toes and 2 heels. The neck joins the head to the rest of the body. Below the neck are the chest, the belly, and the back. My 2 arms and 2 legs are called limbs. Each one of us has the same body parts, yet each one looks different. Some are tall and some are short. Some are fat and some are thin. Some have straight hair and some have curly hair. Classroom activity. Sing along. Nod your head, bend your knees, grow as tall as trees. On your knees, slowly fall. Curl yourself into a ball. Raise your head, jump up high. Wave your hand and say goodbye. Remember, 1. Our body has many parts. 2. Each one of us has the same body parts, yet each one looks different. Is it not so?